I think we are all very excited to hear our guru, Dr. Pallavi Prakash, and what she has to say. And I would invite her to open the conclave with her inspiring words. Dr. Prakash.
Hello. A very, very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is an indispensable pleasure to witness something which is going to come out of the box today. Something which leads and breathes in all of us. Something which we create every day, every moment, every second, but we do not acknowledge it. Yes, my dear friends, we find leaders in all the walks of life, but do we stop and acknowledge them? Sometimes yes, but many times no. So here is a platform, my dear ladies and gentlemen, the Leadership Conclave, which always stands to honor, hear and elude and show the path to all the leaders pan-India. We have been associated with 84 leaders since the year 2015, and this is the 6th year. I'm really very, very glad to share that today we are standing and witnessing the momentous onset of 8th National Leadership Conclave. So we started with the first one in the year 2015, and it started with a small journey. तब मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि ये एक वो कहते हैं ना बड़ा सा वॉल्यूम और I would say a big ocean of leaders would come and join me on this platform. This platform is nothing artificial. It's not jazzy, it's not artificial, it's something which teaches each and everyone once you come here. And that is the essence of this platform. So I'm really glad to honor and welcome all the eminent guests, my speakers, and all the people who are going to throng the wonderful occasion of 8th National Leadership Conclave today. वो कहते हैं ना दोस्तों, मैं आपको एक चीज आज शेयर करना चाहूंगी जो हर मोटिवेशनल सेशंस या हर सेशन में इन पूरी 2020 में कोरोना में मैंने शेयर किया है. And that is the wonderful quote in Hindi. सुनिएगा ध्यान से. जिनके इरादे जितने ऊंचे और सख्त होते हैं, जिंदगी में दोस्तों उनके इम्तिहान भी उतने ही जबरदस्त होते हैं. जिंदगी में उनके इम्तिहान भी उतने ही जबरदस्त होते हैं. So always ready to taste the waters, always ready to face the challenges, and that's exactly what I've done since years. Started on a very small note, and then yes, I'm glad that yes, I do inspire few people, though I consider myself just a drop in the ocean. बहुत ही प्यारी और सुंदर जर्नी है, and I would say when we started in the year 2015, the first leadership conclave in New Delhi, then it was a new concept altogether. I was sitting with 8 to 10 speakers, but was very particular in selecting speakers even at that moment. And then and there, it's 6 years now, and KSLC has been instrumental in organizing 8 leadership conclaves in a row. So that's really wonderful, and I would say ये एक त्योहार है, फेस्टिवल है सबके लिए जो लीडरशिप में बिलीव करते हैं, लीडरशिप में ब्रीथ करते हैं, लीडरशिप में लीड करते हैं दूसरों को. बीच बीच में यू विल ऑलवेज गेट दैट टिंज ऑफ मोटिवेशनल, जो मेरे अंदर गुरु जो बीच बीच में हुंकार मारता है. So I'm not able to contain that voice of mine, right? So that is the journey we started. उसके बाद प्रणाम भारत. I started with all male crew as a producer. That was a big travel show for ETV and Zee Hindustan. People said, would you be able to do it, ma'am? I said, let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. कोशिश करते हैं. और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है शेयर करते हुए प्रणाम भारत को 3 चीफ मिनिस्टर्स से सम्मान और अवार्ड मिला. From Chief Minister of Rajasthan, respected Ma'am Vasundhara Raje, Chief Minister of Bihar at that time, Shri Nitish Kumar, and Chief Minister of Jharkhand, because we did shoot in all these 3 states, and it was considered as an extra venture towards bringing India on global platform. So, एक छोटी सी कोशिश और the voluminous erupt. Then came the journey towards filmmaking. People said, ma'am, would you be able to do it? Let's give it a try. So that was a voice which was always inside. Let's give it a try. So then came the movie Mohabbat Ki Saugat, which all of you know is based on women empowerment. Noble theme. It was very, very tough to go to the grassroots level of ladies in UP, Bihar and Uttarakhand especially, and bring the story out in a glamorous way. Bring the story out in a way which would relate to each and every cosmopolitan person inside all of us. So my theme is edutainment. So I fabricated the entire thing into entertainment and education. और आप लोगों को बहुत खुशी होगी जान के मोहब्बत की सौगात has been awarded बिहार गौरव award 2 times in the year 2018 and again in the year 2020 when it got premiered on television. छोटी सी शुरुआत रंग लाई. Leadership Conclave has a beautiful journey as I've shared, and ये platform सबका है. Each and every person who visits, just put it on vibration. Each and every person who has been associated with this platform has grown multifold in years and years to come. That is the beauty of this platform. So I really look forward कि आज यहाँ से जो हम सीख के जाएंगे वो पार एक्सीलेंस होगा, और आज यहाँ से जो हम टैबलेट्स मोटिवेशन की और आगे की गाइडेंस की लेके जाएंगे, हमें जिंदगी में बहुत ऊंची सफलता पाने में यूजफुल होगी. So I'm really looking forward not only for my learning of each and every leader who is sitting here and people who are about to join. Leadership Conclave has a story. We never start late. Okay? We always start on time. Even if there are 5 people in the hall, people join in. But my belief is start on time, because a person who respects time will respect that person. So that's the reason we always took a decision. Leadership concept has this reputation in pan-India. It starts on time and it gives something which is really a learning for lifetime. आज मुझे लगा बहुत जरूरी है इस छोटी सी स्टोरी को शेयर करना. This is the 8th one, and I'm sure that after Corona period we all wanted to bounce back. हमारे अंदर जितने दबे हुए लास्ट ईयर के प्रोजेक्ट्स के अरमान and the things which we were not able to do as a leader, we wanted to bounce back. So I said, yes, let's come back, even in a small crowd, but let's bounce back. Okay, so that's the reason this time Leadership Conclave is for 4 hours. Otherwise इस प्रोग्राम की हिस्ट्री है पूरे दिन की, और इंशाल्लाह जितने यहाँ पे स्पीकर्स और लीडर्स हैं अगली बार मैं फिर इनवाइट करूंगी और पूरे दिन की स्टोरीज हम सुनेंगे. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वंडरफुल जर्नी फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. ऑन दिस पॉजिटिव नोट, I welcome each and every person who is sitting in this room and declare the 8th National Leadership Conclave officially open.